breathing. Let's begin. Easy pose promotes calm and steady breathing. Sit tall with crossed legs, relax your shoulders, and breathe deeply, feeling balance and peace. Seated side stretch gently opens the ribs and lengthens the sides. Sit tall, reach one arm overhead, lean to the side, and breathe steadily. Seated side stretch opens the ribs and lengthens the sides. Reach up, lean gently, and breathe steadily. Seated forward bend stretches the spine and hamstrings. Sit tall, reach forward, and breathe deeply, feeling release and calm. Cat-cow pose warms up the spine and improves flexibility. Inhale as you arch, exhale as you round, moving smoothly with your breath. Resting pose gently relaxes the back and hips. Fold forward, rest your arms, and breathe deeply, letting go of tension. Cobra pose strengthens the back and opens the chest. Press your hands into the mat, lift the chest, and breathe deeply, feeling energy and expansion. Bridge pose strengthens the back and opens the chest. Press your feet into the mat, lift your hips, and breathe steadily, feeling stability and release. Reclined bound angle pose relaxes the hips and calms the body. Lie on your back, bring the soles of your feet together, and breathe gently, releasing tension. Legs up the wall pose relaxes the legs and calms the mind. Lie on your back, extend your legs up against a wall, and breathe deeply, feeling release and ease. Legs up the wall relaxes the legs and calms the mind. Lie back, lift your legs against a wall and breathe steadily. Joyful pose gently opens the hips and stretches the legs. Lie on your back, hold your feet, and breathe deeply, feeling release and relaxation. Reclined twist gently stretches the spine and relaxes the body. Lie on your back, drop your knees to one side, extend your arms, and breathe deeply. Standing side stretch lengthens the sides and opens the ribs. Reach one arm overhead. Lean gently and breathe steadily. Standing side stretch opens the ribs and lengthens the sides. Reach up, lean gently, and breathe steadily.